Hello everyone, I'm John from ONEWEB. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about modal designs. A modal, also known as modal window or lightbox, is a web page element that displays in front of your application main window and deactivates all other page content. To return to the main content, the user must engage with the modal by completing an action or by closing it. So let's see how to design modals in the Page Designer. Here is my demo application I'm working on, which consists of two page UIs. Login page and home. This home UI is set as the home page for this application. So if I save and build this application, currently this logout function had no action. Now let's say we want to create a confirmation modal window for the end user to reconfirm before logout. To create a modal on this homepage UI, open homepage UI in the designer. Click on the page T structure. Now you can see the page body and the page content. To add modal to this UI design, click on the plus icon to open available components. Select Layout, choose Model, and drag drop this modal right below the page body. Now the default modal layout starts to appear on the designer screen. You can edit any text and design for this modal as per your requirement. Here I just add the information message for the end user to reconfirm before the logout. We can also rename the buttons. I'll rename the label for the Save button as Yes and the Close button as No. Save your changes. Now you can select the modal on the tree structure and choose the hide option here to hide it on your main home screen. Now you can select the logout image on the designer screen and the properties window will open. Select style and scroll down for the link option. In this link settings, the Page Designer provides modal configuration settings where you can select any existing modal window to link with this UI element. In this example, I would link it with model 1 which we have just designed. Save your changes. Please note that you can select modal on the tree structure anytime to display and hide the modal window screen. Now you can save and preview your project. As you see on the application runtime, the modal window will pop up when the user clicks on the logout icon. This close or no button on the modal window UI element will automatically close the modal window. For this Yes button, we can add any action. For example, when the user confirms to log out on the modal window, we can redirect users back to the login page. To add this action, we can open the modal on the designer screen, select modal, and choose the show option to display the modal in the designer canvas. Select the Yes button where you would like to add action. A property window will open. In the link setting, choose the root as login page. Select modal on the tree structure and hide it. Now you can save and preview your design. On the application runtime, a modal window will pop up when the user logs out. If the user clicks on the No button, the modal window will close. And if the user chooses the Yes button, it will redirect the user to the login page. Similarly, you can design modals to direct user attention to an important action or piece of information on your application. For example, I have added another modal window here to let user add information about new products. Thank you for watching this video.